Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Nissan Navara ST dual cab ute, stock reference number 5251. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2008 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiated grille, an Ironman steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets. Does have a scuff on the left hand side. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, we have no interior in this vehicle. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.